Thank you for taking the time to learn about CU Boulder's Public Outreach and Community Engaged Scholarship Database. The Office for Public and Community Engaged Scholarship, otherwise known as PACES for short, has administered a system for collecting campus's outreach and community engagement data for 17 years, working closely with faculty and staff members to do so. This year, our office is launching a new version of that database with expanded functionality and reporting capabilities. This database is publicly accessible and serves as a resource for CU Boulder and communities beyond our campus. For years, campus and CU system leadership have used reports from the database to understand and communicate the scope of CU Boulder's community engagement across Colorado and beyond. CU Boulder faculty and staff members use it to showcase their community-engaged research, teaching, and creative work. It also serves as a tool for learning about potential community partners and connecting with like-minded practitioners and scholars on campus and at other colleges and universities. The database also enables public audiences to learn about partnerships with CU Boulder that are happening in their communities and to find experts who might assist with their community's needs. The database is powered by Collaboratory, a software platform used by universities across the country. Search Activities takes you to a complete list of what is currently logged in the database. Activities are categorized as either community engagement activities or public service activities. Community engagement refers to research, teaching and learning, and creative work being done through a partnership between CU Boulder and an external community. University and community partners co-create and implement activities that are distinguished by mutual benefit. Public service activities are when the university provides expertise, resources, or services to or for specific external communities or the general public. You can search for activities, community organizations, participating faculty and staff, or units by keywords. There is also an interactive map search, which allows users to learn what activities are happening and where. For example, here are the activities taking place in and around Pueblo. Now I will show an example of an activity. This is the activity Rural Technical Assistance Program, RTAP Workshops in Keystone. Types of data entered include activity description, number of community members reached, location, and outcomes. The database also enables faculty and staff to add courses to activities with course components. This activity involves the course Building Community Capacity. One exciting capability of the new Public Outreach and Community Engaged Scholarship Database is that it's a relational system. It captures relationships between faculty and staff, campus units, community organizations, and other higher education institutions, each of which has its own page. The Collaborators tab lists all community organizations linked to an activity. When faculty and staff enter a community partner for an activity, the system automatically generates a page for that organization. You can click on the community organization to be taken to its page, which shows all activities that organization participates in, along with all its CU Boulder collaborators. The Faculty and Staff tab shows CU Boulder faculty and staff who are involved in the activity. Each faculty or staff member has their own profile where you can see all their community-engaged activities, which over time builds out a public portfolio. The Unit tab lists every campus unit associated with the activity. You can click on the unit to open its page. This is the page for the Environmental Studies program, which currently has 5 activities published. By capturing these relationships, who on campus is collaborating with whom in the community, and on what activities, the database paints a picture of the university's outreach and community engagement efforts. It also supports building stronger connections between campus and communities by serving as a resource for identifying partnership opportunities. Finally, while reports from the database can only be run by system administrators, we regularly provide these reports for CU executive and academic leaders. Campus and system leadership rely on this database as a centralized data management tool for the CU Boulder campus and use this information to support strategic decision-making, accreditation processes, funding proposals, reports, and communications with constituencies around the state. The reporting feature shows data across various dimensions, such as the number of activities by focus area and target population, and the total number of community individuals served. You can explore the database on your own using this link. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Public Outreach and Community Engaged Scholarship Database. Please feel free to contact Roja Sun, PACE's Grants and Data Coordinator, at roja.sun@colorado.edu for more information about the database.